Yeah, this is Mike Fauché again, aka PC Doc. I want to get into the next part of this raid series. Now that we've created the raid and it's rebuilt, and it's now already initialized and ready to go. And let's just verify that real quick. So we'll go back into the server software, get the usual message, and let's log in. And there we have it. It says that it's complete. We have status is normal. We have the array name, and all the details about it, and shows me the physical drive information. So I'm basically all set to go. I now have my array created. So now the next step is we have to actually get Windows Home Server to recognize it, and we can't do this through the traditional dashboard. So we're going to have to go in through the through the disk management program. So let's go ahead and click on the server icon down here, and the first thing it does, it pops up and tells me that I have a disk to initialize. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that. But normally I can just go click on GPT and say OK, and it'll be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now I see my 6 terabyte unallocated RAID array. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to say create a new simple volume, and I'm going to use the full size. I'm going to assign it to drive letter E. I'm going to call it again test. I'm going to let it do a quick format, say next, finish, and in just a few seconds it should tell me it's completed formatting, and I now have a drive. There it is. I now have a drive ready to go. So let me close this up, and that's pretty much all I have to do. If I now go to my dashboard, let's pull open the dashboard for Windows Home Server. And of course, if you're using something else, you can always, you'll see it in your computer management. So here's let's go over to server folders and hard drives, and here we now see that I have a 6 terabyte drive that's available for me to do with as I wish, and I can remap any of my standard folders over to the new drive. So let's say I want to go ahead and I want to move this folder. I can go ahead and now assign it to the E partition. And that's pretty much all there is to creating the second part of the array. And again, I'm going to the next segment of this video series, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to expand the array. I'm just waiting for the actual physical drives to arrive, and then we'll get into that. So anyway, that's all there is to it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Talk to you on the forums.